y'all, so we're back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing, and today we're working with UNICE. This package came with wig caps, some press-on nails, super duper cute, and this also came with an elastic band. And the unit we're reviewing today is a 7x5 body wave unit from UNICE on Amazon. This is just a simple 24-inch body wave unit, 7x5 by Knots technology. So let's get into it. This is the unit, y'all. It came curled already. Like, we love a wig that comes already done for you. So yeah, let's get into it. Throwing it on my head right here just to see what it looks like. And honestly, for that to be straight out the box, that's giving, like, very much so. All right, y'all, per usual, I'm in a rush. My bestie is getting married this year, and I'm about that. Even saying that, it's just so crazy. Like, we're really grown and time just really be flying. She's getting married this year, and today we are going to a little dress fitting at 1:30, and it's 30 minutes from me. It's 12:51. I just don't even know if I'm gonna be able to finish this in time. I want to leave here at 1, so I really have 9 minutes. Like, do I have time to do anything? Let's see. Luckily this wig is already curled. Let's just quickly, like, you know, hot comb this. Like, I'm always in a rush. I don't know why. Being a girl, there's just like not enough time for everything that we have to do. Like, literally not enough time. Y'all, I'm starting to stress. I don't think I'm gonna have time to finish my hair before all this. Okay. And after, I forgot to say, after the dress fitting and dress try on, I am going on like a little date. And I have no idea where we're going because it's a surprise. I kind of have a feeling it's gonna be a picnic because I just have a feeling, and I feel like I'm right, but then again I could be wrong. So I'm just trying to have my hair done for that too. Like, I'm rushing, y'all. It's like I got up early, low-key, and I still seem to be rushing. Like, I didn't get up early enough. Like, it's never me getting up early is never getting up early enough. Like, I need to get up earlier. It's given I just need to be up at 8 a.m. every day, starting my day out the bed at 8 a.m. and, you know, getting busy. Like, doing what I do as a wig influencer, I don't have to be getting up that early for real, but I need to. For reasons like this where it's like I'm always rushing all the time. What time is it? 12:54. I'm about to throw up, y'all. Let's just pin this back for now. Do our baby hairs and lay down our lace. And thank God this wig already came curled. Like, that just saved me so much time. This is not even on. It's given I'm gonna have to come back home and finish getting ready, which I did want to do, but I think that's what I'm gonna have to do now, so it's all right. Oh, I just tried to give this a widow's peak, and I don't know how I feel about this. I think I need to cut it a little bit more, like right here and right here. Now let's see. Yo, I really do not want to be late to this. Like, I really have got to do better with being late everywhere I go. And like, this is her dress try on, y'all. Like, we cannot be late to these kind of events, you know. Like, these are big deals. All right, the widow's peak is widowing. I don't think I'm okay with that. Let me cut off a little bit more over here. Period. And y'all, you don't have to do this with your wigs, but I just kind of do it to make my wigs look a little bit more natural than they already do. but to each his own. And I want to lay these baby hairs. Then we have got to go like ASAP, for real. No makeup, but just have to go, like, and I'll just have to get ready for the rest of my day, my date, which I think is a picnic, and then we're going to the movies after. I'll just have to do that later because I don't have time right now, like seriously. I'm literally about to go in what I'm already wearing. No time to pick out an outfit, we just need to go. But I mean, this is just a real life example of why I love these wear and go wigs, like why these wear and go wigs are so good, because times like this where you don't have to bleach anything, you don't have to pluck anything, you really don't have to cut anything. I just do that out of personal preference. The curls are already in here and we could just go. Like, that is so clutch for the kind of lifestyle I live, where just lately I've just always been so busy. These are the kind of wigs that I love. I'm in a rush, but I'm still a baddie, you know, those kind of vibes. For us to be rushing, I like the way that looks. Love it, actually. All right, next side, really quickly. It's currently 1:03. I need to be in this car by 1:05 and driving down the street. Okay. For us to be rushing, what do we think? Come on now. Take this out. Come on now. For us to be in a rush, be so for real right now. Alright, well, we're gonna leave it at that for now. So first looks, this is literally like a 10 to 15 minute install. What do we think? Y'all literally just see me do this in real time with no time. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I'm back from my friend's dress try on, and she did find a dress. The dress is so bomb, so pretty. But so I just came back to fix my hair and fix my makeup. I actually was gonna straighten this hair, but I just decided that the curls it came with actually look so good. Like, the more I look at this hair, the more I'm liking it. And I was like, I really had my mind set on straight hair for today. But the fact that this wig already came curled and I'm already rushing all day, I'm rushing right now again, and all I had to do was brush these out. Like, they look so good. Like, I don't know why I wanted to straighten my hair when the curls already look this good. So I'm gonna leave them just like this. Only thing I might do is curl this side a little bit more so it can kind of match like what this is giving, but I feel like I look so cute. So yeah, I'm ready for my little date, and this is the final look, y'all. It's giving very, very simple, natural. Like, that's my vibe. Like, very calm, simple makeup. I don't even like to wear a lot of colors on my lips. I've really been experimenting with that this year, like wearing different colors on my lips, and I don't know, I'm not really into doing too many colors. I might do a little bit of lip liner and lip gloss and call it a day, but I kind of like how it looks just like this, and I'm just gonna put on maybe some clear lip gloss. But this is what she's giving. I feel like I look so cute, like so bomb. The way it came just like this, y'all saw all I did was cut my lace a little bit into a widow's peak, which you don't have to do, and laid it down. Let me see if I have some lip gloss in here. I don't know what it is, just I just be liking my lips the way they look. Like sometimes I just want to leave them like this. I don't know, I really feel like less is more. Like less, I like my makeup just like this. Like I don't know, I didn't put any highlighter, but I kind of like how my face looks like matte like this. I don't know, what do y'all think? I might need to put some more powder up here or something. All right, y'all, I think I'm ready to go. I feel cute, so I'm gonna go just like this. And yeah, I just love doing these videos and seeing how like the end result comes out, because I look so cute. Like I look so cute. I feel cute in this, so yeah, I'm gonna go just like this. Final touches. See, I feel like even that just did a lot. I feel like it looks